Turning $10 into $53,000 sounds insane, right? But that's exactly what you'll be seeing in today's video using the Coinryze trading platform. Also, I'll be making a live withdrawal in this video for the sake of people who are still in doubt and are yet to register on Coinryze. I'll also be showing new people how to deposit funds on Coinryze and how to trade on Coinryze using the Signal channel. In case you don't know what Coinryze is a trading platform that lets you trade automatically using signals with an odd of less than 1% of ever losing. I'll be talking further on this later in this video. Before I continue, a quick disclaimer right here. Always endeavor to do your own research when taking any financial decision. This is not financial advice. With all that being said, let's get right into the video and see how we can turn that $10 into $53,000 in 90 days using a simple principle called the compound interest principle. So let's see how it works in practice. Using a simple calculator like this one, link will be in the description box below. Come to this area where it says daily compound. Leave the currency where it is and come to this area where it says principal amount. Principal amount is the amount you want to trade with, which is your capital. So we'll be putting in $10. Interest rate is your daily target profit. So we'll be putting in 10%. So we're going to leave it at daily because we want a daily return on our investment. And we're going to leave this place where it says year. And we're going to also leave this place where it says month and come to this place where it says days and put in 90 days. So let's leave every other thing the way they are and hit on calculate. So this is a quick breakdown of our investments every day for 90 days. The first day, as you can see here, we invested $10 with a target profit of 10%. 10% of $10 is $1. $1 plus $10 is $11. On the second day, we reinvested $11. 10% of $11 is $1.10. $1.10 plus $11 is $12.10. The third day, we reinvested $12.10. 10% of $12.10 is $1.21. $1.21 plus $12.10 is $13.31. So if we go through this list down to 90 days, we see right here that we have arrived at $53,130.23. For a quick explanation, we kept reinvesting our total balance while maintaining a daily target profit, which in our case here is 10%. I hope it's clear. To start trading on Coinryze, there'll be a registration link in the description box below and also in the first comment in the comment section. After registration, you're greeted with this interface. This is the homepage of Coinryze. Before we go through the process of funding our account, first let's make a live withdrawal. To make a withdrawal on Coinryze, you simply come to this button right here where it says Assets and then tap on Withdraw. Digital asset is your USDT, your TRX, in case you want to withdraw to your crypto wallet. The currency here is your fiat, in case you want to withdraw to your local bank account. And I want to withdraw to my bank account, so I'll be choosing the fiat option. So I tap on currency. And right here, you see the different currencies. So I'm going to tap in on NGN. This is the amount of USDT I have, 7.8342. And in Naira, it's 12,485.99, 12,000 and thereabouts. So I'm going to withdraw everything, 12,485.99. The transaction fee is 624 Naira 29 kobo. I'll be credited 11,861 Naira 69 kobo. So let me put in my bank account details. And over here is my bank name, so I'm going to be choosing OPay in this list. So I have OPay here and I'm going to tap confirm and hit submit. So I've been sent a dialog box that needs me to confirm whether I want to make this transaction. If I hit on send here, they'll be sending an OTP to my email address. So I'll just go ahead and hit on send. So I'll go to my email address right now and copy the OTP that's been sent. So I just copied the OTP and I'm going to paste in the OTP right here and hit on confirm. But mind you, there is a countdown time here. So you have to make it within the time, else it's going to expire and you're going to start it over again. So I'm still within time and I'm going to tap on confirm. So it's now processing and I'm going to wait for the withdrawal to land inside of my account. So when that happens, I'm going to come back and continue this video. So the funds finally arrived within 54 minutes and I received 11,861 naira, as you can see on my balance, because of the transaction fee. Now let's go through the process of funding our account. Come over to Assets and choose the recharge option. You can choose to deposit cryptocurrency using USDT or TRX, or you can choose to deposit fiat currency, which is regular money. I'll be choosing the fiat option. Down here, I'll be choosing my local currency, which is NGN. The minimum amount to deposit is 3,000 naira, but for the sake of this video, I'll be choosing 10,000 naira. After a successful deposit, the amount is going to be converted into USDT and you'll be getting 6 USDT approximately, depending on current conversion rate. Go ahead and tap on Next. Tap on Pay Now. An account number is now being generated for you. Go ahead and pay to this information. After you've made payment, come right here and tap on I have made payment and your Coinryze account will be automatically credited. This is made possible because the account number is specifically generated and uniquely tied to your Coinryze account, so that when you make deposit to it, the system automatically knows what account to credit. But don't save this account number for later because it's randomly generated. There are two ways to trade on Coinryze. There is BTC28 and there is color prediction. But I'll only be explaining BTC28 because if you understand BTC28, you can trade colors. Whether you choose to trade BTC28 or colors, you need to join their Telegram Signal channel. I'll be dropping links to their 1-minute Telegram channels, both for BTC28 and for color prediction. So let's tap on BTC28. This is the Coinryze trading interface. And the first thing we're going to do is to set the trade time to match that of the signal channel we are using. So let's choose 1 minute because we're going to be using a 1-minute signal channel. On the top right here is your period ID and down here are the trade types. So now let's go to the 1-minute signal channel on Telegram and I'll show you how to apply all these things. So this is the 1-minute signal channel and at the bottom of the channel is where you find the most recent signal. Looking at this signal, you'll find out that it's being divided into two parts with a broken line. Above the broken line is your last trade result. A result with a broken heart like this one means that it was a losing trade, while a result with a party cone like this one means that it was a winning trade. So under the broken line right here is your active signal. And if you check here, you see you have a period ID and you also have a trade type just like on the site. So we're going to go to the site to confirm if the last 2 digits on the period ID matches that on the site. And we're also going to make sure that we select the same trade type on the site, which is even. The last 2 digits on the period ID says 38 and the trade type is even. We can also confirm that the last 2 digits on the period ID here says 38 and we're going to come to the trade type here and choose even. The next thing will be to enter the trade amount right here, but before we do that, let's talk about a system that Coinryze has adopted to help you stay in profit. And keep watching because before the end of this video, I'm going to be showing to you how effective this system is. This system demands that you double up your trade amount each time you lose a trade. And when you eventually win a trade, you will automatically recover all your losses and be in profit. But how does this help me stay in profit, you might ask? Don't worry, that's why I'm here to explain. But first, let me show you a simple tool that makes everything easier. This is the Coinryze Stages Calculator. It helps you maintain consistency and accuracy while doubling up your trade amount for each stage. All you need to do is to put in your trade capital right here, let's say $10, and choose a stage. Let's say the 8 stages, which I recommend at least. Why I recommend the 8 stages at least is that the platform has shown consistency over time. And I bet you'd probably not find a losing streak on the signal channel up to the 8th stage. And that's why the system is effective enough to help you stay in profit. Now I hope it's clear. Now the calculator breaks down our $10 into 8 stages, while doubling up our trade amount on every stage. After every one trade, always come back to the base amount, which is in our case $0.03. Don't double up if the trade is a winning trade, only if it's a losing one. If this video has been helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video.